Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review on this kitchen sink tray basket food catcher. It was gifted to me in exchange for my review. In the kit it came with many mesh bags, 50 bags in total. Now these are made of a high quality material. It also comes with a stainless steel holder rack and some directions. Now this seems very simple to put it on. What you're going to do is take the rubberized mounting band and put it around your faucet to the size that you need. Very simple. And then we're going to put the stainless steel basket and then the mesh bag that goes on top. It's so easy to put this together and so easy to take it off and to store it away. It never gets in your way. Now you can use them for cleaning off your fruit like I am. And another thing I love about these bags is they can actually double as little sacks, so you can put it in your picnic basket. And these mesh bags really do work with all types of fruits and vegetables. My carrots, another thing, I don't have to have another sack to put it in, and I can put it right in my lunch pail. With using these as a storage container in your lunch pail or your picnic basket, it really does save with your carbon footprint. Another useful use of these mesh bags is to collect all of the stuff that you would normally just let go down your drain. This is a way that you will avoid clogged drains. And I even was able to put that right in there, and look at all of what it caught. Throw this mesh bag away. All in all, this is a great kitchen sink drain basket food catcher.